What is going on, world? Welcome back to AquaMalik. The last 72 hours have been really stressful because these particular fish that were sent to me by Isaiah Wiles, who is in Montreal, Quebec, he's one of my friends, and were stuck in transit for the last 72 hours, and it wasn't delivered yesterday or the day before like they were supposed to. So finally it did arrive today, and we're gonna open the bag. Without further ado, I want to tell you guys the fish were alive. Praise God, I'm really grateful. But through the video you will see me being stressed out about the whole thing, so watch till the end. You don't want to miss out on the grand finale. I didn't actually unbox it live. I opened it downstairs in front of the FedEx driver because I wanted him to see if the fish were alive. If they were dead, I wanted him to feel bad because they've done this before. But for his good luck, the fish was still alive. So I'm grateful to God that the fish was still alive. And let's get into this video and watch what fish we got.
Produced by Malik.
Oh my God, everyone! So the fish box arrived. It's now Friday, June the 11th. These guys left Montreal on Tuesday. FedEx messed up and didn't ship the box out till Wednesday, so they stayed at Montreal FedEx dispatching office for one day in their warehouse in the heat. Then they were in the truck Wednesday night, came to Toronto Wednesday night. Yesterday the guy didn't deliver them, so they stayed in his truck. Last night I complained and all this stuff. The fish still are alive. Thank God. They're still acclimatizing. I just opened the box. I opened it right downstairs. So these are the two new fish that we got from Isaiah. Thank you so much. Wiles Aquatics. These are 183 breeding pair. So they're young fish. They've actually spawned already, I think once or twice. Really excited. I want to get them in the tank as soon as possible. I'm just temperature acclimatize them. I opened the box downstairs already, but I'm gonna pull out the rest of the stuff, which are the shrimp, which are okay. They're still alive too. They're doing good. I'm gonna get them all into the tank as soon as possible. So stay tuned. And yes, FedEx really sucks. If you are gonna send live fish, never use FedEx. Worst company ever to be shipping anything through, because the dispatchers lie, the drivers lie, the people you call lie, and even when you're trying to get a hold of them through their customer service, it's quite difficult to get through. So FedEx, I will never ever tell anybody to use this company ever again to send anything. Useless company, waste of money. So that's what I gotta say about FedEx. But fish are still alive, which is the grace of God. I'm really praising God for this one. Thank you so much, God, for keeping my fish alive for the last 3 days until they finally arrived here. So let's open the bag without further ado and look at these cool fish. I'm going to move some of these buckets out of the way. This is going to be a one-shot video, impromptu, not going to really do a lot of editing. I just want you guys to see what the stress I was going through in the last 72 hours, because these fish have been in transit for 72 hours. So it's the 10th of June right now. My friend Isaiah, who lives in Montreal, shipped a box of fish for me on the 8th of June, which is the Tuesday. It was supposed to be here yesterday, which was the 9th. Okay? Now today is the 10th, the Thursday. The fish are not still here. Now, I've been home the whole day. I've been waiting for these fish. I'm by the door. My dog is sleeping right by the door. That's my front door. Okay? Now, nobody knocked on the door. If anybody even came close to the front door, my dog would go crazy, start barking, because, you know, obviously she's, you know, that's how she reacts. So nobody was here, okay? I get an email from FedEx saying the delivery driver was here. I put a giant sign in front of the door, on the front. I'll actually even take pictures and I'll put it right here so you guys can see the sign, okay? I put it up on the door so that the driver can see that there's live fish in the box. It says FedEx, live fish in the box. Please call. I'm home, upstairs. Knock on the door, ring the doorbell. You know, here's my phone number. Please deliver the package. Okay? So he would see that if he was in front of my door. He says he was here. Okay? So I get an email from FedEx. And like this, like literally about 10 minutes ago, is supposedly when he was here. This is like now 20 minutes after I've had a conversation with FedEx. I called them and I told them they have to get the person to deliver me back the box. They agreed that they would before I got off the phone. Now, if they don't, I definitely would be really upset. I am going to file a complaint against the driver because he lied. He was never here. Okay, let's see if the fish gets here and let's see what shape the fish are in. I'm really frustrated right now with the whole thing. I'm really sorry, everyone, but this kind of things really grinds my gears. I say I did a really good job packing them. Here we go. I just set up this tank for them about 3 days ago, but all the stuff in here are from other tanks, so the filter, everything is seated, well established. Really glad, really happy, really happy that they're still alive. Really grateful. Praise God, thank you so much. All right, they should be the same temperature. I'm just gonna check. Yeah, it's a little colder in here, but I don't think it's gonna be an issue. They've been in a warm truck all day, so I'm just gonna get them out. Come on, buddy. So that's one of them. Really nice. I think this is the male. That was the female. I'm really happy I got these fish. Come on, buddy. They're still active, doing really well. So, Isaiah, you did a really good job packaging them. Really active. I'm just trying not to get any of the water because they've been in it for 3 days. Probably a lot of poop and ammonia. The good thing is I think Isaiah starved them. That's the male. Really nice. Wow, look at him. Before he put them in there. There we go. Really happy about this purchase. Really happy they came alive. I'm just going to leave the bag there for now. Get these guys out of here. And into a tank. Well, into the same tank, I would assume, because I'm not going to use 2 tanks to quarantine all these animals right now. It's useless. I can just use the 1 tank. That's the 1 bag. This is the 2nd bag. Really good packing job, Isaiah. Really proud of you for. It's his first sale, so I'm his first customer, and we really didn't want this to go any bad, but and I'm really glad it didn't. I'm really glad the animals arrived doing well and alive. 3 days since leaving Dorval, Quebec. And really proud of Isaiah for this amazing packing job you did. Really well packed. Really well packed, actually. So, I'm pretty sure he'll be on the live chat later today, so we'll talk about this ordeal. But do not ever use FedEx to ship animals because the worst service ever. I had to find a net, so I got a net. And here's the net, and we're gonna dump the shrimpies through the net. I think a lot of them just stayed in the bag, which I'm gonna have to drop all of them in there like that with the plants and everything. Oh, there's some nice shrimp in here. Wow, some really nice shrimp actually. I wasn't really worried about the shrimp, but I was worried about the fish. Quite a bit actually. There. Alright, so this is the tank that they're in. The fish are hiding, but you can see some of the shrimp. The fish are behind the filter. I'm not going to stress them, I'm not going to move them. They've gone through enough. But this is what happened. These are the shrimp that I just got from Isaiah. Some really nice crystals, or some really nice red caridinas. I think there's some green jades in there. Some other shrimp. I'm not sure exactly what he sent me. There's some blue ones. There's some really nice shrimp in here. So I'm gonna have to sort through the group, figure out what's what, and then figure out what I'm gonna do with them, how I'm gonna separate them, and what colors are gonna get their own tanks. so on and so forth. Stay tuned and subscribe if you haven't. Hit that notification, and I'll see you on the next one. God bless you.